So this light bar I have in the corner of my desk here is actually on sale right now for Black Friday, and I think it's like the cheapest it's ever been. It's called the Govee Glide wall lamp, and it's on for $60, which is 33% off, and there's also a coupon for another $10 off, so $50 for this thing. It's fully modular, so you could set it up in a whole bunch of different ways, and this has 6 pieces in one little corner piece. You change the colors, do a bunch of crazy effects. I just like having it as an ambient light, but you could change like each segment of the bar to be a different color if you want to kind of customize it. It has a really good app and it's smart home compatible. But I honestly underutilize it. There's so many different ways to use these things in your setup. I just pulled some random pictures for inspiration like this over top of your desk, really common configuration. Same thing, again, using the corner that comes with it. You could make the segments however you want. Big fan of this one by the bed. I actually still might be doing this at my place. We'll see. More gaming setup inspo. I don't know. I just think it's dope and it can be used anywhere. I've taken it pretty much everywhere that I've moved and I've always had it in a different setup. Like I said, because it's modular and you could change the colors, it could really fit anywhere. I'll have a link directly to that deal in my bio there that has the $10 off coupon. And this deal is also available in Canada. A little bit more expensive because of the currency conversion, but it's still a great deal. Anyway, saw that deal, wanted to make this really scrappy video really quickly because I got a ton of questions on this thing. And again, I know it would make a great gift. I know a lot of people want it for their setup, their bed, whatever. There's Govee Glide wall lamp. It's on sale. Happy Black Friday. Catch you guys later. I've got 2 really good Black Friday deals that just popped up on robot vacuums, and the best part is they're on models that I've literally already used and can vouch for 100%. First up, we have what I believe is the best bang for your buck robot vacuum on the market, the Deebot N8 Pro Plus, which is the one I use every single day right here. This is on for $350 right now. They inflated the regular price a little bit, but normally this is about $500. For $350, this is an incredible deal. So for that low price, this has everything you would want from a robot vacuum. The main crucial thing is this auto empty station. So when the vacuum is done vacuuming, it goes and charges on this thing and then empties all the dust and dirt into this bag. If you don't have a robot vacuum with one of these, you have to open this and empty this pretty much every time you clean. With this auto empty station, I have this thing run every single day and I only have to empty this every 45 days or so. It is the dream. It also has LiDAR, which is the sensor on the top here. This allows it to really precisely map your house and know exactly where it is at all times. This means you could set it to clean just your office or just your bedroom or clean certain areas of your home, and it's very self-aware of where it is. And the last really big thing it has, which you could actually see them on the camera here, but you can't see them in person, is laser object detection. These lasers are able to see really small objects in front of the vacuum, whether that's a toy or a cable, and actively avoid it and clean around it so all the brushes don't get tangled up. These 3 features make for a really great vacuuming experience, and the Deebot executes them amazingly, especially at the $350 price point. It's a pretty much must buy. It also has passive mopping, so this is a water reservoir here, and there's a pad that goes on top of this. It will then basically keep that pad slightly damp and then mop the floor as it vacuums along. This is by far the best bang for your buck option for a robot vacuum on the market. I've been using this one or an iteration of this model for like the last 3-4 years, and I'm super happy with it. There is one model that's slightly better though, especially if you need more mopping done in your home and you're not so vacuum biased, and I'll show you that one in a second. But if you want this one, check out the link in my bio there. It's available both in the US and Canada. If you want something a little bit better that has much better mopping capabilities, if you have any hard surface flooring in your home, this may want to be the one you look at. This actually is on a genuine really good discount of 27% off. So the biggest difference with this one is not only does it have a vacuum auto empty station, but it also auto empties and it fills up your water reservoir for your mopping. Instead of just having a passive rag that basically gets dragged along that's slightly damp, this thing effectively has these 2 spinning buffing wheels, sort of, that it uses to actively mop the floor. So they're spinning constantly and actually rubbing out any sort of debris you might have on your floor. And this is a really big one if you have both flooring and carpet in your home. With the one I showed you earlier, you have to remove the mopping pad if you're going to be doing the carpet because it'll drag along and cause resistance. But with this model, it'll actually take those mopping pucks and pull them up inside the robot. It's going to be able to automatically detect whether it's on floor or on carpet. If it's on carpet, it'll pull those things up in the robot and vacuum the carpet. Then when it's on floor, they'll come down and start scrubbing and mopping the floor. And you'll be able to tweak all of those settings in the app, whether you want it to mop in a certain spot, whether you just want it to vacuum. The app is really easy to use, and it's also smart home compatible. Works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home out of the box, and HomeKit's really easy to adapt with something like Homebridge or Siri shortcuts. You'll find a link to both of those deals in my bio there. They're right at the top because they're so rock solid. They're available in both Canada and the US, and those links will work for both those places wherever you live. Anyway, thought I'd make a video on that because I trust the brand. I use them already. The deal's good. I couldn't just not show you guys. Let me know if you have one of these, if you're looking for a robot vacuum, or if there's anything else I could help you guys find for Black Friday. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, and I love all of you.